Let's crochet the foot of the bunny with haze pink yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring and work 6 single crochet for round 1, totally 6 stitches. Make your left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Slip off the magic ring, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 3 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 9 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. This chain stitch would not count as needed stitch of each round. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch and work to single crochet to make 1 increase. Two single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, see 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. For the third sequence, 1 single crochet first. And 1 increase. Now, we have finished totally 9 stitches for round 2. We can count the stitches together. Started from the marking stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the slip stitch and this is the chain stitch. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round. so we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we have finished round 2. Flip inside to outside. You can see the V-shaped stitches on this side. This is the correct side of the crochet piece. Please make sure the correct side is facing you. For round 3 to round 5, we need to work 9 single crochet each round, totally 9 stitches each round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. Repeat single crochet to finish 9 single crochet for round 3. The third single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. Repeat single crochet to finish each 9 single crochet of round 4 to 5. Finished round 4 to 5. For round 6, we need to flatten the foot and hook 4 single crochet to close the opening. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch of both sides of the foot. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull yarn through the 2 loops on hook to make 1 single crochet. Continue with 3 more single crochet to close the opening. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5. Round 6. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Finished 1 foot, we need to crochet another foot of the bunny in the same way. Now, we have finished the feet of the bunny.